Good morning, student. In our last video, we are discussing about doping. Doping means the use of drugs or blood products to improve the performance. Today, let's discuss about tobacco. The ill habits of smoking and chewing up tobacco has enslaved many peoples. It is taken in the form of cigarette, bidi, cigars, snuff, pan masala, hookah, etc. These all are the form of tobacco and it is very harmful to the human health. The reasons for the global popularity of tobacco is it's the pledging it is pledging narcotic effect. Okay, the the becoming of popularity of tobacco is due to the pledging narcotic effect. Narcotic effect means when you take tobacco, it's make you relief from the pain, stress, etc. It stimulates the brain and nervous systems and give temporary relief from the worry. If you take the tobacco, it's help to remove the worry, fatigue, hunger, stress, tension, etc. Therefore, the persons take the tobacco to reduce their stress, tensions, etc. The effect of tobacco are very adverse, very harmful to the health of the human beings. Let's discuss what are the effects of tobacco. First is tobacco as a poison. Nicotine is a brain poison found in the tobacco. Nicotine, it is found in the tobacco, which is the poison for the brain, very harmful for the brain. It is one of the most deadly poisons known to the men. Half a drop of pure nicotine can be uh, can be lethal to kill a person's. There is no um, anti antidote for this poisons means this tobacco. It is very harmful. The tobacco, it's contain the nicotine, which is very harmful to the brain. It is a poison for the brain. And if you take a pure only half a drop of nicotines, then it kill a person. And there is no antidote, there is no antidote for these poisons. It may leads to death if you take a pure nicotine. Wrong habit. Usually people start this habit to relieve tensions, means the people start taking the tobacco to relieve, to remove their tension, stress, and a small amount of nicotine with a first puff uh, puff subdues tensions, means it's have to remove their tensions. Soon after, it again stimulate the portions for another puff. Thus the smoker is caught in its vicious circles and becomes slave to this habit. Means when the people start taking the tobacco, it will helps to remove the tensions. Then the peoples become addicted to the tobacco, means they become addicted to the tobacco. And it is next is lungs and jaw cancers. Intake of tobacco bring tar along with smoke. This tar has a strong sticking effect, and thus it gets attached to the lining of trachea and lungs, thus create a great risk of lung cancer. Chewing up tobacco has also similar uh, cars, uh, carcinogenic effect and cause a jaw cancers. If you chewing a um, tobacco, uh, it helps in lung cancers. It may risk the lungs cancers and also a jaw cancers. Increase blood pressures. Medical research reveals that a single puff of cigarette can contact the smallest capability. It increases the heart rate up to 20 beats per minute. Thus, the extra pressure is exerted over the heart and blood vessels. Therefore, there is a chance of heart problems. If you take the tobacco, it will increase the heart rate of the persons and put extra pressures over the heart and the blood vessel, and it may lead to the heart problems like heart attack, etc. Decrease in body temperatures. When nicotine which is present in the tobacco, okay, when this nicotine enter the body, it reduce the blood flow. This, if the blood flow reduce, the temperatures of the skin also reduce. Increase in sugar levels. Tobacco rise the sugar levels in the blood by reducing the efficiency of pancreas. Therefore, it is very dangerous for the diabetes persons. Okay, tobacco reduce the efficiency of the pancreas. ठीक है, आपके डाइजेस्ट सिस्टम, आपके पैनक्रीज की एफिशिएंसी को रिड्यूस करती है. Therefore, the sugar levels in the body will increase and it may lead to diabetes, and also it is very dangerous for the diabetes person. Reduce lifespan. Smoking of one cigarette reduce human life at a rate of at least 11 minutes. Moreover, health status decline. Means if you start taking the tobacco, your lifespan will also be reduced. Wastage of money. Taking tobacco is only the wastage of money. There is no benefit. There is no benefit, only wasting of money. And if you start taking the tobacco, you become addicted and you need the tobacco, and you only expend the money, only wastage of money. Reduce appetite. It reduce the appetite means the ability to take the food. Okay, desire to take the food. Taking tobacco reduce your desire to take the food. The chewing of tobacco on masala reduce the appetite, your desire to take the food to a great extent, causing starvations. You don't आप आपको भूखमरी खत्म हो जाएगी, आपको भूख नहीं लगेगा, because your desire to eat is reduced. It also it also leads to overstress in the digestive system. Okay, it will put stress over the digestive system, especially in the stomach and intestine, and it leads to many health problems like stomach pain, constipations, gas trouble, dehydrations, etc. Pollution. It causes great pollutions and also affect others. When you take cigarette, it cause pollution, air pollution. It affect yourself as well as to the others also. Reduce the performance. The effect of tobacco. If you take the tobacco, your physical efficiency will also be reduced. The physical fitness will reduce and the efficiency of the body will also reduce. These are the effect of tobacco. Okay, first is tobacco. It is a poison. Then it become a habit, wrong habit in you. When you take a tobacco, it will leads to a wrong habit, and lungs cancers, jaw cancers, increase your blood pressures, decrease the body temperatures, increase the sugar levels in the body, reduce the lifespan, only wastage of money, reduce appetite. You will not feel your desire to eat become reduced. Only pollution, it will lead to pollutions, and the performance, your performance will also reduce. Next is drugs addiction. Drug addictions. Drugs are chemical substance which alters the body and its function, also known as medicines. Means drugs is not evils all the times. It also act as a medicine. When they are taken inside the body, they bring change in the biochemical systems of the body. Drugs are designed, therefore it is designed to improve the chemical imbalance in the body. If there is any chemical imbalance in the body, drugs are used to maintain the chemical balance in the body. Therefore, this drugs is also used as medicine. Drugs are classified into two parts: prescribed drugs and non-prescribed drugs. Prescribed drugs, it is used for improving the health. Drugs are not an evils. Okay, drugs are not evils all the times, every times. Many times drugs also save our life through their actions. Drugs reduce the effect of disease, sickness, etc. by covering the chemical imbalance, thus helps to bring improvement. Pharmacologists investigate drugs action, try their best to make the drugs as specific as possible, but all drugs possess varying degree of the side effect. Means prescribed drugs are used for improving the health. If there is any chemical imbalance in our body, drugs are used. These drugs are used to make the chemical balance in the body and helps to reduce the effect of disease, sickness, etc. and also helps to improve the performance. Non-prescribed drugs. Non-prescribed drugs, these are used by the drug addicted persons. Okay, non-prescribed drugs, this is used by the person who is addicted to the drugs. Non-prescribed drugs are very harmful. Commonly, these are used by the addicted persons. The overdose of drugs or the non-prescribed drugs. Okay, the overdose of the non-prescribed drugs taking is termed as non-prescribed drug, means overdose. If you take a overdose or non-prescribed drug, it is termed as drugs or non-prescribed drugs abuse. Okay, if you take more non-prescribed drugs, it is termed as drug abuse. This addiction can only be stopped by strong determinations, hospitalizations, means rehabilitation centers for drug, and sympathetic attitude from the family and friends. But once a person start taking the drugs, he or she cannot stop using it, thus become slave to the drugs. Health means this non-prescribed drugs is used by the persons who is addicted to the persons. Once the person start taking, the person become addicted, and it is very difficult to leave. Again, it is very difficult for the person to uh, leave the drug addictions, okay, to stop the drug addictions. And these addictions, drug addictions, can be stopped only by the strong determination of the person. If the persons want to stop the drugs, okay, so The strong determination of a person is required to stop the drugs, hospitalizations, and the sympathetic attitudes from the family. This all are the matters to stop the drugs. And but once a person start taking drugs, he or she cannot stop using it, thus become slave to the drugs. Means अगर persons ड्रग्स लेना स्टार्ट करेगा तो फिर वो ड्रग्स का गुलाम हो जाएगा, ठीक है, और उसको एंड ही रिक्वायर्ड ड्रग्स दिस, and if it takes the drugs, then it will affect the health of the persons. The immunity system of the persons become weak and it leads to many health problems, and the body get addicted to them and work only if this taken regularly. If the drugs is not provided, if the persons become addicted to drugs, and if the drugs is not provided, the body start agony, mean paining, okay? If the persons is addicted to the drugs and if the drugs is not provided, then there will be the body pain. There will he will feel lot of discomfort, stress, tension, etc. if he does not get drugs. The poison, the persons taking this drug cannot come out of it of his own. This addiction is very powerful. It may leads to an addictions one also crime. And addicted persons can also leads to crime. He may do the crime at the time of drugs, at the time of taking the drugs. When he take the drugs, he may also make a crime, make a wrong mistake, make a crime, etc. Some drugs are like stimulant, narcotics, beta blockers, etc. These are the drugs. Next is effect of drugs addiction. What are the effect of drug addictions? If the person is become addicted to the drugs, what are its effect? First is economic loss. These drugs are very costly. Okay, first the drugs is very costly, and this bring poverty to many homes. Okay, and if the person take drugs, it may leads to health problems, and there will be the extra burden for the medical treatment of a person. The first thing is economics loss. Mean first thing is the tobacco, means the drug is costly, and after taking the drugs, if there is any health problems, then there will be the extra money required for the medical treatment. Physical efficiency. Drug addictions make the body sick, weak, and disease. Body loss physical efficiency and health is affected to a great extent. Means if the person take a drugs, his physical fitness will be reduced. Therefore, the various system of the body, okay, if the physical fitness will be reduced, the efficiency of the body will be reduced due to because the body becomes sick, weak, and disease. Therefore, the efficiency of the body reduce and it may leads to many health problems. Therefore, the person's efficiency, physical efficiency will be reduced. Loss of sense. When a person take the tobacco, his sense organs will not function properly. That is, the sense of judgment is lost. The person is not able to judge what is happening, is not able to think properly. So it reduces the self controls and also commit the mistake. If the person's sense is lost, he will not make any judgment, he cannot think properly. Therefore, he commit many mistakes, and also he cannot control his emotion. Sometimes emotion, if the persons cannot control his emotions, it become aggressive, the person become aggressive, violent, etc. Loss of memory, when the person is addicted to drugs, his memory will be reduced, the brain activities are reduced, that is brain cannot remember immediately happening or occurrence. Okay, so his short term memory is lost, the memory, the brain cannot work properly, therefore his short term memory is lost. Decline appetite, an alcoholic person cannot eat his normal diet, therefore his appetite means desire to eat. Okay, his desire to eat the food become reduced, so it causes starvations and nutritional deficiency. When the person does not take a proper diet, it will leads to nutritional deficiency, and their sports performance also reduce. Crime, the persons the persons um, the persons who are addicted to drugs make a crime. Okay, he commit a crime. Road accidents, unreliable, most of the drugs addicted persons are unreliable peoples, because and they are considered unfaithful. It is very difficult uh, to trust the drug addicted persons. Make Whatever they make promise, it is often, okay, so it is not possible to believe them. Disturb the family life, drugs addicted persons, their family life will be disturbed, because he is not able to pay attention, not able to give time to his family, therefore his family life will be reduced. Kidney and liver damage, if the person is addicted to drugs, it may lead to and kidney damage, liver damage, etc., because it put extra pressures over the kidney and livers, therefore there will be the kidney failures, liver damage, etc. Increase the blood pressures, it may leads to increase the blood pressures, it make it put extra pressures over the, okay, it put extra pressures over the heart. So we have complete our chapters, this topic doping. Okay, we have complete. So once again, take a fast recapitulations, revisions. First, doping means the use of drugs or any blood products or any other matters to improve the sports performance. These are mainly used by the sports persons to improve his performance. The sport persons use doping, okay, use drugs or the blood product to improve the sports performance. The doping the doping is banned by the International Olympic Committee, because International Olympic Committee want to dope free sports, clean sports, and also it is harmful for the health of the athletes, and also want fair play. It want to give equal opportunity for the athletes to compete, because the persons who take the drugs, his performance will be improved, and those persons who does not take the drugs, his performance reduced. Therefore the persons ban the doping, so that equal opportunity are given to the athletes, and want a clean sports. Doping, there are three types of doping. drugs administrations, blood doping, and gene doping. Drug administrations means using of drugs, taking of drugs to improve the performance. Like some drugs are like stimulant, narcotics, steroid, growth hormones, beta blocker, diuretics. These all are the drugs. Stimulant, stimulant make you more active, energetic, etc. Narcotics, narcotics it is a good painkillers. Okay, it is used as a painkillers. Steroid, steroid is used as a healing. It's heal your, it's a heal injury. Growth hormones, growth hormones helps to uh, okay, growth hormones helps to build your muscles. So it is mainly used by the weightlifters. It's help to build the muscles. Beta blockers, beta blockers reduce the blood pressures. Okay, it reduce the blood pressures, so your heartbeat will be slow. Therefore it is mainly used by the used in the game where more concentration is required, like shooting. Diuretics, diuretics is used to remove the fluid from the body. Okay, diuretics eliminate the fluid from the body, so it is used in the game where weight weight is required, okay, to reduce their weight fastly in a short period of time. Okay, कम से कम समय में to reduce weight, they take the diuretics, and that is reduce the fluid from their body, and the weight become reduced in a short period. Blood doping, blood doping means the use of blood product to improve the performance. In blood doping, it is a process of increasing the red blood cells. Okay, it increases the red blood cells. By increasing the red blood cells, okay, by increasing the red blood cells, the extra red blood cells carry more oxygen. Okay, it's carry more oxygen from the lungs to the muscles and enhance the endurance. Okay, red blood cells carry extra extra oxygens, therefore the endurance of the persons will be improved. And blood doping can be done, it is done by injecting the blood from the donors, or injecting the unharvested blood, or by taking the drugs to increase the red blood cells. And gene doping means modification modifications of gene, or the use of cells, genes, or genetics elements, means modifications of genes, so that to enhance the performance. These are the types of doping. So drugs, prohibited substance, okay, substance which is prohibited in games, and their side effect like stimulant. This stimulant, it has a direct effect over the central nervous system and cardiovascular systems, so it's make you more active. Okay, it make you more active and reduce the feeling of fatigue. You become more active, your alertness, increase in alertness, increase in physical activity, your physical efficiency will be improved, increase the heart rate, and reduce the reactions time. And its effect is it you become more aggressive, violent behaviors, blood regions, dizziness, irregular heartbeat, etc. Narcotics, it is a good pain, it is a good painkillers. It's help to remove it, it also helps to remove the feeling of restlessness and tiredness. By taking the narcotics, it's remove the fatigue, you will not fatigue, you will not tire, your pain will be removed. And um, The effect of narcotics is slow response, decline in activity, you become addictions, loss of concentration, you are not able to concentrate properly, nausea, vomiting, etc. Asteroid, asteroid, it is a good healing process. It is used for healing process as well as it's help to promote the growth. It it uh, it affect the speed, power, strength, increase the heart rate. Okay, steroid increase your heart rate, body temperatures, respiratory, body weight, muscle mass, blood circulations. That is faster healing. Main is your faster healing and rebuilding of the tissue. And the effect of asteroid is heart attack, cancer, infertility in females, male voice. If the female take, then there it may leads to male voice in the females, nausea, muscular body in females, etc. Growth hormones. Growth hormones is used to increase the muscle mass, height, size of the body, etc. Means growth and development of the body. And its effects are unbalanced height and size, posture deformity, bones become affected, and sometimes it may leads to overweight. Beta blockers is used to reduce the anxiety. It will reduce your blood pressures. Okay, it will reduce your blood pressures. It will reduce the anxiety, lower the heart rate, reduce the body temperature, reduce stress, your muscle which become relaxed. Therefore, your concentration power will be improved. And it is used in the game where concentration is required. And diuretics is used to eliminate the fluid from the body. By taking the diuretics, it helps to reduce the body weight because the fluid is come out from the body, and your weight will be reduced in a short period. And it is used in the game like wrestling, judo, boxing, because in this game weight is measured. Side effect is the persons become dehydration as the fluid is eliminated from the body. It lead to dehydrations, body fainting, undernutrition, malnutrition, etc.